This MATLAB demonstration will get you started with working on your first programming assignment using our simulation environment. The first thing you want to do is change the current folder MATLAB is working in to the one containing the project files. Next, open the file RunSim. You can do this by double-clicking the file name in the current folder window, or by using the Open command in the command window. To run this file, you can type in RunSim in the command window. You can prematurely exit execution of this file by pressing Ctrl-C. You can use the command CLC to clear the command window. An alternate way to run the program is to click the green Run button in the editor. Upon running the code, you will see an animation of the quadrotor on the left and a plot of the height over time on the right. Since there is currently no controller running, you should see a quadrotor falling straight downwards. The plot on the right similarly shows that the height z is decreasing as time increases. Make sure that this code can run successfully. To complete assignment 1, you will have to modify the functions in PD controller. Let's open the file. We can see that currently the input is 0. That is, we're applying no thrust to the quadrotor. You need to calculate the proper value for u that will allow the quadrotor to control its height using the given input parameters. A useful way to debug your code is to use breakpoints. You can set a breakpoint by clicking a line in the code that you want the execution to stop at. Now, when we run the function RunSim, the execution of the function will stop at the breakpoint that we set. Another way to do this is to use the command keyboard. We can type in keyboard before the line of code at which we want execution to stop. Again, if we run the code, it will stop at the designated line. Now, we can explore what variables are currently defined at this point in the code. To find out the value of a variable, we can double-click its name in the workspace. Alternatively, we can type in its name in the command window. Here, we see that the parameters that we have defined are the mass of the quadrotor, the gravity constant, and a few other constants. Let's try setting the control input to exactly mg, the weight of the quadrotor. Don't forget to remove the breakpoints that you've set when you finish debugging your code. Now, when we run the simulator, we see that the robot's height remains constant. This is because we are applying enough thrust to cancel out the force of gravity, allowing it to hover in place. To complete the assignment, you'll need to do additional calculations to find the required input u that will allow the robot to rise to a desired height.